Hello friends, welcome to Love Medics. Daily, we are going to many places and we meet many elder people. Some of the elder people shaking their hands like this. Did you note that? What is the reason for that shaking? It is due to many neurological conditions. One of the condition is Parkinson disease. Parkinson disease is the degenerative disease. Degenerative means the part of the body damaged due to long-term work. In Parkinson disease, basal ganglia is affected. What is basal ganglia? Basal ganglia is the group of nucleus. It locates within the cerebrum. Control the posture and movement of the body. These are the nucleus of the basal ganglia. Substantia nigra is affected in Parkinson disease. Putamen and globus pallidus are called striatum. The pathway from substantia nigra to striatum is called nigrostriatal pathway. Now, cardinal features of Parkinson disease: bradykinesia, rigidity, tremor, loss of postural reflex. These are the cardinal features of Parkinson disease. Bradykinesia means slowness of the movement, rigidity means increased muscle tone, tremor means shaking of hands, and loss of postural reflexes. Now, cause of the Parkinson disease. Idiopathic. Idiopathic means the cause is unknown. Genetic mutation, environmental, structural lesion, viral infection, that is encephalitis. In environment, pesticides and MPTP are most common cause for the Parkinson disease. Some people are working in the pesticide factories. They are more prone to affect the Parkinson disease. MPTP means that is the chemical that is present in the heroin. Humans are more addicted to MPTP. MPTP is the chemical that present in the heroin. Drug abusers, they also more prone to Parkinson disease. And presence of abnormal proteins in the neurons of substantia nigra, gene mutation, low level of dopamine in the substantia nigra, and exposure to certain toxin. These are the causes for the Parkinson disease. Free radical. Free radical is cause for the Parkinson disease. In metabolism of dopamine, it produces hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide is breakdown by glutathione. If the glutathione level is reduced in our body, it causes increased free radical in our body. It leads to accumulation of protein in our body and also in the brain. That is called Lewy bodies. This is the neuron and this one is the Lewy body. See, these are the Lewy bodies. Lewy bodies are diagnosed during autopsy, which means after death. Incidence. It is the second most common neurodegenerative disease after Alzheimer's. Alzheimer is the first neurodegenerative disease and Parkinson disease is the second most common neurodegenerative disease. It occurs in the age of 60 and it most commonly affects the male than female. Pathophysiology of Parkinson disease. Destruction of neuronal cells in the substantia nigra, so the dopamine storage is reduced, that causes degeneration of dopaminergic nigrostriatal pathway, the pathway between substantia nigra to striatum. Nigrostriatal pathway facilitates the movement. The damage in the nigrostriatal pathway that leads to imbalance of excitatory and inhibitory neuron, that leads to imbalance of extrapyramidal tract. So the patient have tremor, bradykinesia, rigidity and postural changes. Clinical features of Parkinson disease. Rigidity, bradykinesia, resting tremor, postural instability. This is collectively called Parkinsonism. Rigidity. Rigidity means increased resistance to the passive movement, that is called rigidity. It is the hallmark for the Parkinson disease. The rigidity felt uniformly in agonist and antagonist muscle. Agonist means if we flex the hand, the biceps is agonist and the triceps is antagonist. Type of rigidity. Two types of rigidity are present. One is cogwheel rigidity, another one is lead pipe rigidity. This is the cogwheel and this is the lead pipe. Cogwheel rigidity. Cogwheel rigidity is the jerky resistant to passive movement. Cogwheel rigidity. It is the jerky resistant to passive movement. And lead pipe rigidity is the sustained resistance to passive movement. Cogwheel rigidity. The patient move their hair like this while passive motion. And lead pipe rigidity means if we pull the two ends of the V-shaped lead pipe, it produces full resistance, right? That kind of rigidity is present in the Parkinson disease. That is called lead pipe rigidity. The prolonged rigidity that causes contracture and postural deformity. Bradykinesia. Bradykinesia is the slowness and difficulty to start or continue the movement and posture. It is due to muscle rigidity and depression. Tremor. Tremor means involuntary movement of the body part. Pill rolling tremor, resting tremor, postural tremor. These kind of tremors are present. Pill rolling tremor means the patient like they have pills in their hands. Resting tremor means the patient have tremor while rest. It occur in forearm, jaw and tongue. Postural tremor that occur while walking and standing. These tremors are diminished during sleep. This is the resting tremor and this one is the postural tremor. Postural instability. Increased difficulty during walking, turning and tough tasks. Flexed stooped posture is present in the Parkinson disease patient. Why? Because extensor muscles are greater weakness than flexor muscle. The extensor muscles are present in the abdomen. That is helpful for the normal straight position. If the muscles are weak, that produces flexion of the body parts. This is the flexed stooped posture. Other clinical features: micrographia, hypomimia, slurred speech, dysphagia, reduced eye blinking, freezing, anosmia, depression, and sleep disturbance. Micrographia means the size of the letters are progressively reduced while writing. Hypomimia means reduced facial expression. Slurred speech, reduced eye blinking, depression, freezing like statue, dysphagia, sleeping disturbance, and anosmia. Anosmia means loss of smelling. Glabellar tap sign. It is the repetitive tapping on the forehead that stimulates the glabellar region and that leads to blinking of eye. It is a positive sign for the glabellar tap sign. It indicates the presence of Parkinson disease and also some neurological conditions. Diagnosis. Normally, the Parkinson disease is clinically diagnosed, but CT, MRI are necessary for the exclusion of the stroke and any suggestive of pyramidal, cerebellar or autonomic involvement. DAT scan. It is the imaging study. It is used to confirm the Parkinson disease and it is also used to diagnose the dopamine transporter levels in the brain. See here, dopamine transporter level is reduced. Abnormality in putamen before taking drug and it returns to almost normal level after taking levodopa. Drug therapy. Levodopa is the first line drug for the Parkinson disease. It is the precursor for the dopamine. Precursor means the levodopa that is converted into dopamine. Dopamine agonist, that is pramipexole, it acts like dopamine, and bromocriptine, that is the dopamine receptor agonist that mimic like dopamine receptor, and dopamine releaser that helpful for the release of dopamine from the neuron, and COMT inhibitor that is entacapone, and MEO type B inhibitor that is selenine. These drugs are helpful for the prevention of converting the levodopa into dopamine before entering into the brain. If the levodopa converted into dopamine before reaching the brain, that is not useful for us. So these COMT inhibitor and MAOBH inhibitor, these are helpful to prevent the conversion of levodopa into dopamine before entering the brain. Anticholinergic drugs, that is benzhexone, it reduces the rigidity. We should give the relaxation exercise, flexibility exercise, strength training, functional training, balance training, and locomotor training. Surgical treatment for the Parkinson disease. One is deep brain stimulation, another one is stereotactic thalalectomy. Deep brain stimulation means the brain is stimulated by neurostimulator. Stereotactic thalalectomy, removal of the thalamus, that is used to treat the tremor. Dissection of affected area of thalamus. Prognosis. If the onset is middle age, the patient have slow progressive range but they have short lifespan. If the onset is after 70, they have severe prognosis, so they have short lifespan. Other akinetic rigidity syndrome are Huntington disease, Wilson disease, infective disease, that is syphilis, drug-induced Parkinson disease, that is drug causes Parkinson disease. We should diagnose the patient properly. If the patient have these kind of drugs, that also produce the Parkinson disease, right? The long-term usage of drugs that produces the Parkinson disease. The drugs are dopaminergic agonist, that is neuroleptic agent and atypical neuroleptic agent, antiemetics and amiodarone, valproic acid and lithium. These drugs are causes the Parkinson disease. If the patient taking these kind of drugs, that also produce the Parkinson disease. Treatment for the drug-induced Parkinson disease is avoid the drugs after short-term usage. Parkinson plus syndrome. Symptoms present along with the Parkinson disease. The symptoms are orthostatic hypotension, dementia, abnormal eye movement, Babinski sign, urinary detention. These symptoms are present along with the Parkinson disease. That is Parkinson's plus syndrome. The patient may have some other neurological condition. Parkinson disease overview. It is the more common degenerative disease and it affects the basal ganglia, especially substantia nigra. Genetic, environmental cause, structural lesion, viral infection, mutation, abnormal protein, idiopathic. These are the causes for the Parkinson disease. Pathophysiology, destruction of dopaminergic cell that leads to depletion of dopamine storage, degeneration of nigrostriatal pathway that leads to imbalance of excitatory and inhibitory pathway. It leads to imbalance of extrapyramidal tract that leads to the Parkinsonism. Parkinsonism is the bradykinesia, rigidity, tremor, loss of postural reflexes. These are the clinical features of Parkinson disease. It is diagnosed clinically and also with CT and MRI. First line medication for the Parkinson disease is levodopa and entacapone and carbidopa also. Surgical treatment for the Parkinson disease is deep brain stimulation and stereotactic thalalectomy. Question time. Parkinson disease is the degenerative disease. First line drug for the Parkinsonism is levodopa and entacapone and carbidopa also. Cardinal features of Parkinson disease is tremor, rigidity, bradykinesia and postural instability. Thanks for watching.